Hi everyone and welcome back to NotesNaka. Today is day 20 of the lead coding challenge, and for today's problem we have the kth smallest element in BST. So let's check out the logic on pen and paper and we will get back to the code.
So we will be given a binary search tree and we will be given a k and we will have to find the kth smallest element. So if we look in this tree, the kth smallest element will be 3 because the smallest element is 1, then the smallest element is 2 and the third smallest element is 3. So we need to print out 3. So that is what we need to do in today's question. So we will be given a BST. What does BST mean? It is a tree in which all the nodes on left of that node will be smaller and all the node on right side will be greater. So 3, 2, 1, 4, everything on this side of 5 will be smaller and everything greater than 5 will be on this side. So that is the property. Now if we think closely, if we do the in order traversal of a tree, that means in order traversal is something like this. So first 1 will be printed, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. So that is how in order traversal takes place. So if we to solve this question, if we go through the in order traversal and find the kth smallest, then that will be our answer. So what we basically will do is we will initialize the answer globally and a count, and then we will make a function of in order and we will traverse this tree in order fashion. So for traversal of in order, what we do is if the root is null, if root is equal to null, then we just return. And if not, then we recursively call for roots left. And after calling for root left, we basically print that node in order traversal. But since we are trying to find out the smallest, kth smallest, what we will do is we will increment our count. That means we went through one of the nodes and then we will check if count is equal to k or not. Whenever the count is will become equal to k, then that node will be our answer. So we will store the roots value in answer and then return. So after returning from here, we will get answer and we will print that answer. That will be our answer, final answer. But if we do not get it at that place, what we will do is we will recursively call for in order rights and we will pass k along with it. So this is the basic concept that we are trying to implement in this problem. So all we need to do is in order traversal and keep a count, and whenever the count becomes equal to k, we just print that node's value. Now let's check out the code.
I hope you understood. That was a very basic concept behind this problem, and this is the code. What I did was, this is my main function where I call in order and I pass root and k, and at last I will return answer. I have declared answer and count globally so that I can use it all the time. So in this function, what I have done, it is a void, it will not return anything, and its name is in order, and I have passed root and k. So at any time if the root becomes null, I just return, I do not do anything. And after that, if it is not null, then I call for its left child. So we basically need to travel through the leftmost part and then start checking. So I call for the in order left, and after that I increment the count. So this count is what is counting which is the smallest element that we need to print. So whenever k will become equal to count, that means we have found that node that is the kth smallest one. Then we will put the root of value inside our answer and return. And after returning, we just return the answer that we have, which is globally declared. And after that, if it is not found in the left side, then what we do is call for in order right. So basically what will happen, it will first go to 1, then 2, then 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then 6. And it will keep on counting, and whenever the count becomes equal to k, it will return, and that will become our answer. So you can see it has been accepted. If I run the code, You can see this is the answer. So this was a very basic code for today, and I hope you understood what I explained. And if you did, then please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.